Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best black streak removers for RV on Amazon. Black streak removers for RVs effectively eliminate unsightly marks and stains, restoring the exterior shine and cleanliness of your vehicle. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. 303 Products UV Protectant Spray. If you're looking for an option to remove black streaks and provide a little sun protection, 303 Products UV Protectant Spray is an ideal fit. This product was designed to give the campers excellent UV protection, whether they have fiberglass or gel coat exteriors. This spray's protective qualities are vital to prevent issues like cracking, fading, and discoloration. It's a simple way of keeping your RV surfaces in good condition even when faced with extended UV ray exposure. You can also rely on this product to repel stains, streaks, and dust. These abilities will help extend the time between cleanings, which is always helpful. I'm a person who despises cleaning or maintenance tasks, so this feature is a valuable and necessary attribute, but I must note that this product isn't only for RV exteriors. You can use this spray on plastic, finished leather, vinyl, isinglass, and rubber surfaces. Number 2. Camco Pro Strength Black Streak Remover. If you're looking for a low-effort option, Camco's Pro Strength Black Streak Remover needs to be on yours. It'll make removing black streaks from your RV a stress-free and straightforward task. Not only that, it's also effective against various other issues: bugs, tar, grease, dirt, and oil. These effective results come from its specially formulated solution, which has both cleaning and degreasing properties. As a result, you can expect this product to work through stains and streaks that other options available can't. I was also thrilled to see it offers 2 different quantities options, 1 gallon and 32 ounces. This attribute might not seem like a big deal, but it'll help prevent a buyer from having to purchase more than they would need. You shouldn't overlook the 32 ounces version's spray-on bottle design, either. It'll further ensure this particular RV cleaner black streak remover is nothing less than a delight to use. More importantly, this remover doesn't take much time to make its mark. Number 3. ProSol Bugs and All Bug Splatter and Black Streak Remover. Reviewers looking to purchase an eco-friendly option should consider ProSol's Bugs and All Bug Splatter and Black Streak Remover. Its formula consists of non-toxic biodegradable ingredients that still pack quite a cleaning punch. Users can expect this product to remove black streaks and oxidation within 25 seconds. Bug Splatter doesn't stand much of a chance either, with it being gone in 60 seconds. It offers these excellent results without damaging your rig's paint, motorhome wax, diesels, or clear coat. You can expect the remover to work well on most vehicles as well. It's shown to be effective on trucks, motorcycles, airplanes, RVs, trailers, boats, and campers. The customer reviews are filled with people finding new and exciting ways to use this excellent cleaner. Number 4. 303 Products Black Streak Remover. This black streak remover is one of the more versatile choices for RV owners. Its formula is usable for cars, motorhomes, boats, campers, RVs, and other vehicles. Honestly, it hasn't been too challenging to find multiple ways to use this product in my life. The versatility doesn't stop at vehicle applications, either. 303 Products ensured its formula had no problem working on various surfaces. So without worrying about any damage, I can use it on fiberglass, vinyl, metal, and painted surfaces. Of course, none of this versatility matters much without effective performance. But performance quality is another area where this black streak remover for caravans and RVs excels. Its formula has quickly gotten rid of marks and other issues whenever I've used it. The product even made those challenging older black streaks disappear from my camper. Number 5. Cork Awning Cleaner and Black Streak Remover. If you're having a black streak issue on your RV's awning, Cork's Awning Cleaner and Black Streak Remover should be a perfect fit. Cork designed this cleaning solution for this exact issue to ensure your awning can get a little bit of its sparkle back. Your neighbors will soon be jealous of your RV's awning condition. Plus, this cleaning solution does an excellent job with various other potential issues. Some of them include bug splatter, dust, dirt, tree sap, and grime. Once it's applied, each of these substances doesn't stand much of a chance against it. You can also extend these results on several surfaces ranging from fiberglass to painted surfaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.